In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to Canva. Uploading a video to Canva is really simple, but it helps to see and understand each step clearly so you don't run into any confusion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring your own video files into Canva so you can edit them, add text, transitions, or use them in any design you're working on. First, open Canva in your browser or in the Canva app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main dashboard, either open an existing design where you want to use your video, or create a new design by choosing a template or a custom size. It doesn't matter what kind of design it is. The upload process will be the same. Now look for the left-hand sidebar where you usually see options like templates, elements, and text. In that panel, you'll also see an option called Uploads. Go ahead and click on Uploads. This is the section where all of your images, audio, and video files are stored inside Canva. Inside the Uploads panel, you'll see a button that says Upload Files. Click on that button. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer or device. Find the video file you want to upload. This could be an MP4 MOV or another supported format stored in your downloads, desktop, or any folder you prefer. Once you've located the file, click on it, then click Open. As soon as you do that, Canva will begin uploading your video. You'll see a small progress bar or spinning icon showing that the upload is in progress. The time this takes can vary depending on the size of your video and the speed of your internet connection. Try to avoid closing the browser tab or the app while the upload is still running. If you prefer, instead of clicking Upload Files, you can simply drag and drop your video file directly into the Canva window. To do that, open the folder on your computer where your video is saved. Click and hold on the file, then drag it over to the Canva interface and release it. Canva will automatically start uploading it to the Upload section. Once the upload is finished, your video will appear as a thumbnail in the Uploads panel. From there, you can click on it or drag it onto your design, resize it, trim it, and start editing however you like.